Welcome! In this video, you'll learn how to clean burner heads for your cooktop. Begin by turning off the cooktop using the main control knobs before cleaning the burner heads. Allow the burner heads to cool completely on the cooktop before handling them for cleaning. Lift the burner grates off the cooktop to expose the burner heads underneath for cleaning. Remove the burner heads from the cooktop to separate them from the burner bases fully. Brush the burner heads with a soft brush to loosen debris from the ports. Rinse the burner heads under running water to wash away loosened debris from the surface. Place the burner heads back onto the cooktop so they sit in their original positions. Finally, place the burner grates back onto the cooktop to restore the cooking surface properly.